Hey y'all, what's up? It's John with Superfly here to announce our third super theme called Hawthorne. Hawthorne is a classy theme inspired by sites such as Michael Hyatt, New York Times, Humans of New York. Classier vibe. I suggest running through all our sections, and we'll go through some of them later in this video to check them out. And of course, it's mobile ready. And it's part of a bigger vision. It's part of our super themes idea. First off, though, to get Hawthorne and our other two super themes, as well as the wireframe kit that comes along with the super themes, all you got to do is go to our website, BeSuperfly.com, scroll down, and hit the Superflyer, hit that Learn More button, and that'll take you to our Superflyer membership page, which for our membership fee, you get all of these amazing features here. You get Hawthorne, you get our other two super themes, the wireframe kit, and a library worth over $1,200, which is down here. So here's the other super themes we have, our wireframe kit. Plus you get all these other layouts and child themes down here. All for just 25 bucks per month. And every month we'll be adding and making our super themes even better, but more on that later. First, let's go through some of Hawthorne's features. So here's our hero section. And you'll notice on the demo site over here it says Hero 1, Hero 2. There's little identifiers next to each section. Those will not be on your production sites, but those are here for reference for when you go to make your page using one of our super themes. You'll be quick to be able to identify, hey, that Hero 3, I really like that. Let's use that for this page. You know, hey, that footer number 3, let's use that. Or that contact section number 5, let's use that. But more on that in the tutorial section of the Hawthorne website there on how to build using our super themes. So here we got some headers with some pre-done animations, so different style buttons and whatnot. You can obviously easily change these colors how you see fit. I'm just really liking the yellow for this. So we got some heroes there. We have over 75 sections that all match throughout all the super themes and the wireframe kit. So if you build your wireframes using the wireframe kit, then your client can pick which style they like. Maybe they like Phoenix style, which is kind of more modern based off our Josephine. Maybe they like this style, or maybe they like Milo. They want more of a Spotify, bold color vibe, still modern. And then of course we have Hawthorne, which is classier vibe. But no matter what, you can build your wireframes using our wireframe kit, and depending on what theme your client chooses, you'll be good to go and quickly and easily be able to build their site using whatever super theme they pick, especially with our identifiers here on the demo sites. So we have, I think we have 6 hero sections already pre-built and ready to go. A couple interior hero options there. I'm not going to go through all 75 modules, but I'll just go through a lot of them here. So we have this nice call to action already designed and ready to go. This features page is the longest. I think we have 22 different sections in here. All these, and these have been styled for tablet and mobile. Yeah, I really like this blue too. That blue is really nice. This is one of my favorite sections here. A lot of folks like this section across the super themes. And our thought is that by developing all these sections and having them ready to go, that this should cover most of the needs that you have for your client's website. Hopefully there's not too many more sections or layouts outside of what we provide that your client would need. But we'll be adding more sections as the months go on. So eventually there'll be over 100 sections, or who knows how many. I love this picture here, and this blue border over here on top of, or blue gradient. Well, it's a gradient background with a hard start and stop on the blue, and then transparent over the image. That guitar image is sweet. Love it. Here's a similar kind of effect there. So yeah, you can see, you can start to get an idea. It's kind of more of our general, just general typography, nice, clean, classy, classic. Couple border effects there. Couple unique layouts here in the general section. We also have our column switch deal. So on, on tablet and mobile, normally, let me move this over here. Normally this would stack picture, text, text, then picture. But thanks to our reordering, you're going to get picture, text, picture, text. And that's built into the theme. All you got to do is add a class, and boom, you have that. Speaking of classes, let me go to the modules page. There are some pre-designed modules that I didn't use in the layouts that are here on the on this page. But you see we have an ability for an inline button option. So you just add a class to this row, and then the buttons you put in there will be inline. And then eventually they'll stack. They'll be inline to a point, and then I think on mobile, like under, yep, then they stack. But some of these toggles are just, they look really nice, especially with the background, which is kind of a cool deal. These tab titles look pretty nice, I think. And then call to action again there, slider, block slider. Here's just some of our image effects, or images laid out with some overlay. We also have three different overlay classes to get an overlay over your image that will work over parallax images as well and video. So that could be handy. And then here we got some gallery styling as well. Reviews. That yellow just really screams at you, doesn't it? It's like, hi, I'm here. And I don't know if you can tell in the video, but some of these backgrounds have texture. I think it's just a nice, subtle touch, classy touch that helps separate this theme from the other super themes that we have. Like here's a nice background texture here, kind of a concrete wall kind of deal going on. And then some of the darker ones here have a little texture. They're very subtle. And again, that yellow line just really pops. Pops! I said it. Opt-in. Just a couple more here we'll take a look at. Contact forms, ready to go. Test button. Subtle background here with the contact form. I think it looks really nice. Overlapping deal here. And then footers. In the tutorial section, we show you how you can assign any of these footers instead of the default. Default one is this one. It's kind of boring, but it works as a footer. Otherwise, we've designed some other ones that you could easily swap out this background image, these guys here, or these ones. Bam! Attention grabbing, that's for sure. So again, wrapping up, to get Hawthorne, all you have to do is go to our Superflyer membership. Just go to our homepage. After you land on our homepage, click down here on our Learn More for Superflyer and sign up for our membership, and you get to download Hawthorne. And just to go over the process, the way the process works is, your client wants to build the site with you, and this could be like a nice lower tier option for clients that maybe can't afford a custom design. You can say, well, we have some pre-built themes that we can use, and as long as you build their wireframe with wireframe kit, you'll be golden. So for example, let's say you go to the features area and you want to start off with, well, first you'd probably go to a hero, right? You'd probably go to your hero, and you pick one of these heroes, and again, they're all labeled here. Say, all right, so for this site, let's use a hero 3 on our home page. And you can actually, these are all saved as library items. So you could actually make your wireframe kit right here. You could have, wireframe.yourwebsite.com/client name, and this would be their home page that you'd be wireframing for them. So hey, let's start with a hero, number 3 here, and then let's go to the features section, and let's grab, let's grab this guy here, this feature number 6. And I actually go through an example of this in each of the tutorial parts of all the wireframes here, or all the super themes. And then let's go grab, another hero section, maybe a dark, or another feature section, maybe a darker one. And then eventually, we'll need just a probably general content of, our executive team. And then we'll add another feature, and then eventually we'll need a reviews area for testimonials, and then we'll round out the page with our footer. And so let's say you build your wireframe using a wireframe kit, you have it ready to go, and then you just show your client, hey, here's Phoenix, do you like the look and feel of this? Here's Milo, or you could have a questionnaire that helps pick one of these. Here's Milo, it's more groovy, bold, colorful. Phoenix is super clean, modern, kind of Squarespacey. Or do you like Hawthorne, which is more classy? And they pick one. And then based off your wireframe that you made, you can easily make the page from the Divi library for these themes. So that's an introduction to what Hawthorne is and what the Super Themes system is as a whole. Thank you so much for checking this out. And if you are a member or you just became a member, thank you so much for becoming a member. Your membership allows us to keep putting out products like Hawthorne and our Super Themes. So enjoy Hawthorne. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay fly.